Good morning, children. Sai Ram, welcome back. Children, I hope you have understood all the concepts which I taught to you till now. Yes? So, today we will continue with lesson number 7, Our Village, Our City, part 3. Before we proceed further, yesterday we have learnt about the means of communications. Yes? Okay, now we'll start learning new words. Now, what is dialect? Dialect means a form of a language that is spoken in a particular area. Dialect means a form of a language that is spoken in a particular area, means the same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. Okay? Now repeat after me. D-I-A-L-E-C-T, dialect. D-I-A-L-E-C-T, dialect. D-I-A-L-E-C-T, dialect. Next word, pollution. To pollute means make dirty or impure. To pollute means make dirty or impure. Pollution is the noun. Okay? Repeat after me. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Pollution, pollution. Pollution, pollution. Good. Next word is region. Region means a part of the country or a division of a land. Means a part of a land also. Okay. Region means a part of the country or a division of land. For example, we can say a forest region or the monsoon region. Okay. So region means a part of the country or a division of land. Now repeat after me. R-E-G-I-O-N, region. R-E-G-I-O-N, region. R-E-G-I-O-N, region. Next word is influence. Means have an effect on. Influence means have an effect on, or the power in someone or something to affect another person or thing. Means people get influenced by the teaching of saints. Yes, because saints always teach us good morals of life. Yes, or children, sometimes if we like the good qualities of a person, then we get influenced by the same person. Okay, so influence means have an effect on, or the power in someone or something to affect another person or thing. I hope this is clear. Now repeat after me. INFLUENCE, influence. INFLUENCE, influence. INFLUENCE, influence. Very good. Okay. Now we'll learn about dialects. Okay. Now see, man uses language to talk to each other and to communicate his thoughts to other people. Means if we want to talk to our friends or our relatives or to talk to some another person, we use different languages. Yes or no? We speak in English or in Marathi or in Hindi. Yes? So, man uses language to talk to each other and to communicate his thoughts to other people. The same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. The pronunciation of the words changes with the region. Means people from Ratnagiri, they use different pronunciation. People from Satara, they use different pronunciation. Okay. Words from other languages enter our language. It is influenced by other languages. In this way, different dialects of the same language form in different regions. For example, Irani, Malwani, Varadi, or we can say Agri or Koli or Khandeshi. Okay, so these are some dialects of the Marathi language. Means the language is same, but it is spoken in different ways in different regions. Okay, children, I hope this is clear. Okay, so dialect means the same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. Okay, for example, the dialect of Marathi language are Malwani, Varadi, or Khandeshi, or Irani, Koli, Agri, or Ghati, or Konkani. Okay, these are all called as dialects of the Marathi language. Okay, now Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. What is the state language of Maharashtra? Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Yes, children, I hope this is clear. I will revise once again. See, dialect means man uses language to talk to each other and to communicate his thoughts to other people. The same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. The pronunciation of the words changes with the region. Okay, so words from other languages enter our language. It is influenced by other languages. In this way, different dialects of the same language form in different regions. For example, the dialects are Irani, Malwani, Varadi, Koli, Ghati, Konkani, or Khandeshi. Okay, these are some dialects of the Marathi language. Okay, and what is the state language of Maharashtra? Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Okay. In the olden days, means of sending messages were not very advanced because that time means of communications were not invented. Okay, so in the olden days, means of sending messages were not very advanced, were not developed. In those days, information was communicated by different means. See, people used to announce by using the loudspeakers. Okay, if they want to spread any message or if they want to give any information. Okay, if they want to spread some message, people used to use loudspeaker to spread any message. Okay, understood, children? Then see, some people, they used to beat the drum for the announcement of some information. Okay, see, okay, like this people were made aware about some information. Okay, or information was communicated by beating drum. Clear, children? Okay, so these are some old methods of spreading information or sending messages among the people. Clear? Sometimes trained pigeons were used for this purpose. Sometimes trained pigeons were used for this purpose. No, this you must have seen in the movies also. Okay, you must have observed or watched in television also. No, trained pigeons were used for this purpose. A message was sent by writing it down on a piece of paper or cloth and tying the piece to the bird's leg. See, a pigeon is used to carry letter. No, that letter is tied to the bird's leg. See, here also the message is tied to the bird's leg. Okay, pigeons with messages attached. Okay, which is shown with the red circle. Can you see, children? Okay. Okay, now we'll have an activity. Okay, activity of making the correct pairs. Now, can you see two columns on the screen, children? Okay. Now, column 1 shows various means of transport. Okay. Column 1 shows various means of transport and column 2 shows what they travel on. Okay. What these means of transport travel on. Now, you are supposed to make the correct pairs. Okay, one I have already shown for you because that is for uh, your convenience. Okay, one example I have shown there. Train always runs on the railway track. Okay, train runs on the railway track. So I have already matched that pair. Now just tell me the first one, bullock cart. Can you make the correct pair, children? Yes, bullock cart travel on the kacha road. Can you see that? Yes, see, bullock carts travel on the kacha road. Okay, so we have made a pair. Now next one, boat. Can you make a pair? Now everyone knows boat sails in water. Okay, boat sails in water. So we'll make a pair. Okay, children? Yes. Next we have already made, but still see, train runs on the railway track. Next is bus. Can you tell me? Bus moves on the Pakka road. Can you see there Pakka road? Yes. See, bus moves on the Pakka road. Okay. Now next is aeroplane. Yes. Can you make a pair? Aeroplane flies in the air. Very good. Aeroplane flies in the air. And the last one is truck. Truck moves on the Pakka road. Very good. Truck moves on the Pakka road. Okay. I hope this is interesting. No? You all have enjoyed this activity? Yes. Okay, we'll go further. Now tell me, what's the solution? Services like mobile phones, telephones and computers are not available in the area where Rohan and Rupali live. They need to send a message to their relatives in another town. How will you help them to send their message? Come on, just think and tell me, children. I repeat, services like mobile phones, telephones and computers are not available in the area where Rohan and Rupali live. They need to send a message to their relatives in another town. How will you help them to send their message? Yes? Can you tell me? Very good. So, computers, telephones are not available. So, what they will do? Yes, they will write a letter. Very good. So, Rohan and Rupali will write a letter, or they can write a letter to their relatives. And how will they send that message? Yes, through postal service. Very good. See the answer. Rohan and Rupali can write a letter to their relatives, and through postal services their message would be delivered. Okay. Rohan and Rupali can write a letter to their relatives because computers and telephones, mobile phones are not available there. That is why they cannot directly contact. No, they cannot contact directly. So, they have to write a letter. So, Rohan and Rupali can write a letter to their relatives, and through postal services, their message would be delivered. Very good. Now we are going to learn what we need to always remember. Recently, there has been great development in the means of transport and communication. That means most of the people use means of transport and communication, and that has led to an increase in pollution because the means of transport which we use that emit or release carbon dioxide in the air, and that causes air pollution, and this impure air is not good for our health. That is why everyone should use them carefully. That means people should avoid the maximum use of this means of transport and communication. People should minimize the use of this transport and communication. Suppose we need to travel, then we should use public transport, and we should minimize the use of private vehicle, and that will help to reduce the pollution. Okay children, I hope this is clear. Yes, now we'll see what we have learned. Okay, what we have learned in this lesson. We have learned the interrelationship between cities and villages. That means rural people and urban people are dependent on each other for their needs. Okay, that means we have learned the interrelationship between cities and villages. Then we have learned means of transport and communication, and the need for means of transport and communication. Okay children, I hope all the concepts are clear to you. Okay, here we have completed the whole lesson, that is lesson number 7, our village and our city. Okay children, keep revising, keep watching videos again and again to get your doubts clear. Okay children, thank you, bye, Sai Ram.